Okay, so today I have to discuss on next reaction intermediate, that is nitrogen. Okay, so from the naming you can understand that is nitrogen basically consists of nitrogen atom. Okay, you may guess. Okay, तो क्या होता है, हर वक्त ऐसा नहीं होता है आपका जो नेमिंग है वो ही वो जो आपको जो प्रेजेंट करेगा वो ही होगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है। पर नाइटिन से हम थोड़ा बहुत रिलेट कर सकते हैं किसके साथ, नाइट्रोजन के साथ। ओके, सो नॉट ऑलवेज बी दैट इज द ट्रू, दैट इज द नेम ऑलवेज सजेस्ट द सेम द राइट थिंग, दैट इज नॉट ऑलवेज ओके। बट sometimes name can predict, name can suggest some clue about this, the about the word. Okay, so that's why 19 suggested the word, that is the not a word but a letter, that is nitrogen. Okay, so now we have to start with 19 intermediate. Okay, so for better clarity I will say that is, I want to say that is 19 basically actually 19 is consist of nitrogen. Okay, simple. Okay, already I discussed carbocation, carbanion, carbene. Okay, so these all are basically consist of carbon atom. Okay, clear? But 19 is basically consist of nitrogen atom. This is the difference. Okay, clear? So now I have to start with it. 19 are basically non-ionizable, short-lived. Obviously this is an intermediate, so you know intermediates always be short-lived. That does not depend on which type of intermediate that's are there. Okay, always remember intermediate should be short-lived. Okay, always be, that is intermediate is nothing but that is a short-living species which should be produced before product formation and after reaction of reactant. Okay, जो reactant and product का जो बीच में जो reaction होता है उसका ठीक middle वाला product होता है intermediate. Okay, and there must be a difference between transition state and intermediate. Intermediate, though intermediate is a short living species, but still we can trap it. Okay, and transition state normally never be trapped. Okay, and transition state always give the idea about how the bond break and bond make in this